Are you still driving that old hatchback? If you are, get ready because the new 2025 Opel Insignia is about to change the game. This isn't just another car release, it's a major evolution for a model that has been part of Opel's family since 2008. The new Insignia is rolling off the production line in Rüsselsheim, Germany, and Opel has poured over 500 million euros into making this car better than ever. But what can you expect from this updated version? Let's dive in. The 2025 Insignia is ditching its hatchback look and moving towards a more SUV-like design. That's right. It's getting a modern makeover to match the current market trend, which is all about sport utility vehicles. This change isn't just about looks, it's a strategic move to keep Opel relevant in a segment where SUVs are taking over. So, what's under the hood? The new Insignia will come with a variety of engine options. You'll have a choice between 1.5L and 2.0L turbocharged gasoline engines, with horsepower ranging from 140 to 230. And for those who care about the environment, there's a plug-in hybrid option too. This model promises a balance of power and eco-friendliness, making it a perfect pick for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. But let's not forget the competition. The mid-size market is crowded with heavy hitters like the Ford Mondeo, Volkswagen Passat, Skoda Superb, Peugeot 508, and Hyundai Sonata. Each of these rivals brings something unique to the table, so how will the new Insignia stand out? In conclusion, the 2025 Opel Insignia is not just a refresh, it's a bold step into the future. With its new SUV-inspired design and a strong lineup of engine choices, it's shaping up to be a serious contender in the mid-size segment. If you're in the market for a new ride, keep an eye on this one. So, if you want to stay updated on all the latest car news, subscribe to the channel or check out our next video.